Hey guys, it's Fancy. Today I'm coming at you with a really simple Halloween nail idea if you need any last minute Halloween nails this year. And I'm starting out with a red glitter acrylic, and in that I'm placing some red sort of holographic sequins, and I'm putting them just in any pattern that I like. And I'm making sure to work quickly so that the acrylic does stay wet, but if it hardens, that's fine. Just add a little bit more glitter and then start placing the sequins again. And once I'm done with that, I then encapsulate it in clear acrylic so that everything stays put. After that, I'm going in with my black acrylic so that I can do the gradient, and I want the gradient to begin about 2/3 of the way down the nail. I don't want it to be half and half, I just want a little peekaboo, and so that's what I'm doing. After all that's done, I'm then going in and encapsulating the entire thing in clear acrylic and pinching it so then I can file it. And this is the completed set. If you like it, maybe consider subscribing and leaving a comment. Everything helps me out. And until next time, stay fancy.